Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on the new LV TM Cerises collection, Alma BB. Now, if you are a fan of the Fashion Try-On and have been following along with us, you will know that the Alma BB is one of my favorite shapes from Louis Vuitton. Now, if you have also seen some of our cherry collection unboxings, you'll know that this wasn't my favorite print. However, I am going to unbox a friend's purchase so you can see what the Alma looks like in this print. Now let's go ahead and start off with this packaging. Now I personally had a lot of FOMO with this packaging because I think it is really well done. Now we do have a new sticker pack with all designs from across the 3 chapters, which I think was really cool. And we do have a new box. So the box actually has the print on it itself, and it is so sturdy, so well made, and you know, it just feels like the right move by Louis Vuitton. We also do have a new ribbon, and it is white with silver writing, and I thought that was a nice, balanced touch for the general packaging that they had. Now we do have a normal dust bag with this collection, which I don't know, they could have put a cherry on it. In any case, let's go ahead and take a look at the Alma. Now, the method of printing on here looks and feels like a sticker. It feels like a very puffy sticker, and this is why I don't like this collection. To me, it looks like those are going to wear off instantly. I'm really not a fan of them, and it looks like, dare I say, just for me personally, again, disclaimer, a little bit childish. Now, I know that a lot of people do love the cherries, and I personally really like the cherries. I like that juxtaposition of the red cherries popping on the white canvas. I just don't like the printing method, and I don't like the faces. Now, again, that is me, and Takashi Murakami, the designer of these cherries, is very well known for his playful effects on objects, items, characters. So if you do love them, please don't let my opinion hurt, how you feel about them. That is just how I feel. So I sat out of this collection. Now I can still appreciate a lot of the design elements. They do have the 20th anniversary stamp right in the middle. And you do have the Vachetta bow bag charm, which came in the first collection with the Speedy Nano. Now, I do have a bone to pick with this bag, which is it does not come with a lock and key, which in my perspective just feels like not right. I do have 2 Alma bags. I have a brown damier ebene and I have a black epi, and they both came with a lock and a key. And while I don't use the lock and key, I do think it adds to the heritage of the brand and just makes it very complete feeling. So I was really surprised that this didn't come with it. Now it does come with that long strap, which is not adjustable. However, that is to be expected on my 2 that I own. It is also not adjustable, and I don't find that an issue whatsoever. I do think it is the perfect length for either wearing it on your shoulder or as a crossbody. I do, however, feel like this bag specifically was a little stiff. You'll see that the handles aren't falling, very easily, or they're not very relaxed. That might loosen up or soften up with time and use. So should not be too much of a worry. But there you have it. That is the Alma in the Cerises or Cherry collection. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.